Hello, I am Shubhodip Shom, roll number M23 CSA 533, and here I will demonstrate the implementation of auto scaling virtual machine in GCP with security configuration. This project showcases how to create a scalable and secure web server and environment that can automatically adjust the capacity based on its traffic. So this is the project info. The project name is BCP assignment. This is the number and the ID. Now we'll go to the compute engine. Here we can see that I had created an instance, a VM instance. This is called web server VM. Now this VM is a Debian 11 system, and I have used an E2 medium instance now, and the zone is US Central 1A. Similarly, I have also created an instance template. Here we can see that this is an instance template. I mean, I had used to created two instance template, and but this is the latest one which I am currently using. This is web server template. Uh, this is in used by the managed instance group, which is called the web server MIG. Now if you go inside the managed instance group, we can see that we have multiple instances here, and the auto scaling has been set with minimum of 2 instance and maximum of 10 instances. There is also a health check as well. We can see that health check later on. So we can see it now only. We have created a health check. It's called HTTP health check, and inside this is the kind of health check that we have done, where the healthy threshold is 2 consecutive successes, and the interval is 10 seconds, the timeout is 5 seconds, and the protocol is HTTP. Now after that, we'll show you the IAM roles. For the IAM roles, we are going to IAM and admin. Now here I have create view by roles. Here I have created a role here called VM operator. To see that role, we can actually go to IAM roles. Now inside this roles, we can see that we have a VM operator. Now this VM operator has uh, this VM operator follows the principle of least privilege, and it only has the permission to get, list, reset, start, and stop instances. And there is a service account, which the service account uses this custom role. So this service account uses this custom role, and this is how it works. Again, after the so now what we'll do is we'll demonstrate the auto scaling. So let's see how this auto scaling works. Now we'll again go back to the instance. We'll go to compute engine. Now we'll go inside so here we can see that we have two instances. We have this instance is run running actually. Now what we'll do is we'll go to the uh, instance group. Now inside that managed instance group, we can actually choose any of these instance. So let's say we choose the first instance and we go to SSH. Again, you can see that we have created a template. This template is linked to this VM instance, which is actually based on this managed instance group. So inside this, I have actually created a code that will simulate the load inside that VM. Uh, so this is the first command that we will put here, which will just install, will first update and then install stress. Now after that, for simulating this the CPU load, we will just paste this command here from stress, and yes, you can see that it is affecting two CPUs. Now it will take some time, so I am pausing this video for some seconds. So the instance load has started, and you can see here that the CPU utilization is increasing. It is, as of now, it is 7.229. The disk input output operation and the in operation and read is also going on, and we can see that currently there are two instances. The autoscaler has been set from minimum instance of 2 and maximum instance of 10. So whenever this will cross, I think CPU utilization will cross a certain threshold, uh, it will create additional instance. So we'll actually pause this video till this happens, and we'll see that uh, the additional instances will be created. As of now, yes, we can see that the CPU utilization has now come to 40.78%. Still the instance is 2. After a certain time, this instance will change to 4. So now you can see that this CPU utilization has gone to 80%. I think now, I think it should change to more instance. It will auto scale. Yes. Now you can see that the autoscaler utilization has started. The capacity is 140%. I will refresh the page once again. Yes, now you can see that the instances has changed from 2 to 4. So the autoscaler is wo- working properly. So yes, you can see that everything is properly up to date. I mean, as per understanding. Now the CPU utilization will decrease, and the autoscaler and the instances will again change to 2, hopefully. So this instance has changed to 4 at this moment. Okay. So now the CPU utilization is decreasing. We are hoping that it will again decrease back to 2. Still now it is 4. Let's see. I will refresh it once again to check. So now the autoscaler is again crossing the threshold. Let's see what happens. Auto refresh this. Yes, you can now see after about 5 minutes or so, we can see that the active instances are now two, and so we can actually finally are able to demonstrate that the auto scaling is working perfectly fine. So yes, so thank you for being patient in this, and thank you all.